pinching me good. Oh, don't fall, buddy.
Don't want
Watch, here we go. Ready? He's pinching me good.
It won't
Double
focus.
pinch. Double pinch. He's double pinching me. He's got both claws in me.
Oh.
He's squeezing me so hard. Holy cow, dude. Look how hard he's squeezing me.
Dang.
He's like, I ain't letting
dead?
go. Oh, ow, it's pinching my pinky. Hold on, where's that little one? Ow, it's just hurting. Now let's get the video of this one pinching me too. They're both hanging on.
It doesn't want to focus.
Put your foot in.
Dang, bro.
Put your foot in.
I got two pinching me. Let go. Ouch, that hurts. End of our adventures for the day. We got crawdads, got pinched. What a beautiful day it was today. Thank God for today. God is good. Look at that. For the final sign off. Y'all have a good day.